Welcome to Cloud Data Science News number 3 for the week of January 17th, 2020. We have a few announcements from Microsoft and Amazon AWS, and we'll talk about those coming right up. Let's jump right into the Cloud Data Science News. First up, Microsoft Azure becomes the first public cloud to be certified with the new ISO 27701. That means Microsoft now meets the requirements for privacy and information management. So it's the first cloud of its type for that. Also from Microsoft, Python and Visual Studio Code had some updates. One of the things most notable to the data science world, when you run Jupyter notebooks out of Visual Studio Code, you can now select which version of Python you would like to use to run those notebooks. Also, a couple of things coming out of Amazon and AWS. If you use Matillion ETL and Redshift, there is now an AWS quick start for that, so that could be super helpful. And Amazon's Builders Library is now available in 16 languages. That is a wonderful resource about how Amazon builds and deploys all of the software that they run at their company. So it's a great insider's look to what's going on at one of the largest software organizations in the world. So there's the news for the week. I hope you like it and find it useful. Thank you. Hey everybody, thanks for watching the news. If you would like to get links to all these articles and a few others delivered to your inbox every week, you can sign up for the newsletter. I will put a link to that down below. Also, my name is Ryan and I help companies build out data strategies. I also run an online school called Swanstrom Academy, helping people to learn how to use data science tools and to learn how to set data strategies for their company. So if you're interested in either of those things, I'll also put a link below. But thanks for watching the news. I hope you found it helpful. Have a great week.